Corporations, other legal entities. Sabrina, what is a legal entity versus a corporation? Key definitions. Legal entity. It is any physical person, you or me, or legal person. Corporations, partnerships, trusts, associations, organizations, etc., that has recognized capacity to enter into legally binding agreements, obligation, can sue or be sued, and is held responsible for their actions and omission. Corporation. It is a legal entity formed under the laws of a country or state that is separate and distinct from its owners, shareholders, stockholders. It follows a specific purpose. Its owner's liability is limited to the corporation's creditors, obligors only up to the resources, investment in the corporation, unless they give her personal guarantees. Its duration's lifespan is unlimited. It will exist until it is expressly dissolved. Company. It is a legal entity that engages in business and can be a proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. In the USA, each of the 50 states has its own laws, so each has slight variations as to the types of corporations and their legal framework. A few basic types of legal entities. 1. Partnerships, not a corporation. 2. DBA, doing business as can be a corporation. 3. LLC, limited liability company. 4. S corporation, company's taxes are paid by owners. 5. C corporation, classic corporation. There are more proprietorships, foundations, etc., depending on the country. A few basic types of legal entities. 1. Self-employed. 2. Partnerships, not a corporation. 3. SL, Sociedad Limitada, equals LLC, limited liability company. 4. New company LLC, advantages the first years. 5. SA, Sociedad Anónima, equals classic corporation. There are more proprietorships, foundations, etc., depending on the country. LLC equals limited liability company. It is a company that has less restrictions, is easier to manage, and makes life less complicated for those that want to do business without risking their personal assets, while keeping it simple so they can focus on their business and not on legal requirements. They are becoming a more popular business entity for new companies because it combines the limited owner liability of the A corporation with the tax efficiencies and flexibility of a partnership. Key features. 1. Owners. Owners of LLCs are called members. They can be individuals, companies, or foreign entities. 2. Taxes. In some countries, USA, and LLC is not taxed as a business entity. Their members are taxed as persona income. In others, Spain, it is taxed exactly the same as a corporation, which may have a much lower tax rate. Spain, 25%, 15% on is 2 years, much lower than personal income taxes. Much lower than personal income taxes. 3. Liabilities. Members are typically not directly responsible for the debts of an LLC. Their liability is limited to their investment in the LLC. 4. Record keeping. LLCs are required to submit annual reports but have less requirements in general, not required to hold annual sharehold.